1972, 25 centimos Juan Luna. 1972, 25 centimos Juan Luna coin is a part of the Philippine coinage series that features a notable Filipino heroes. Here is a detailed historical overview. 1972, 25 centimos Juan Luna. General information. Country, Philippines. Denomination, 25 centimos. 0.25. Year, 1972. Series, Filipino series. Obverse, the coat of arms of the Philippines, year 1972. Composition, copper nickel or nickel brass, with a diameter of 23.8 mm and weight of 5.3 grams, with the reeded edge, meant struck at Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Minting Facility. Reverse, portrait of Juan Luna, a Filipino painter, patriot and revolutionary. About Juan Luna, 1857-1899. Juan Luna was a Filipino painter and nationalist, best known for his famous painting Spoliarium. He was also active in the Philippines reform movement during the Spanish colonial period and member of the propaganda movement, advocation for Philippine representation in the Spanish Cortes. Historical context. This coin was part of the Filipino coinage series, which was first released in 1967 under President Ferdinand Marcos. The series featured national heroes and used the Filipino language instead of English. This move was part of a broader campaign to promote Filipino nationalism and cultural identity. Collectors information and common value. Circulated coins are generally worth around 5 pesos up to 50 pesos depending on the condition. Uncirculated mint condition can fetch 100 or more, especially if certified. Not considered rare, but still holds numismatic and historical value for collectors of the Philippines coins. At naibenta ito guys dito sa ating Heritage Auction, World and Ancient Coins. Sold January 13, 2021. Graded from NGC MS64 sa uncirculated condition for 13,498 pesos 0.92 centavos. At ang pangalawa ay graded NGC MS62 sa uncirculated condition sa halagang 16,198 pesos 0.70 centavos. Certified coins guys ang kailangan upang maibenta mo sa mataas na halaga ang iyong mga old coins na hinahawakan. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.